When astronauts return to the moon, they will not just need rockets, habitats, and spacesuits. They may need something much more basic: plants. Because if humans are going to live on the moon for long periods of time, we eventually need to ask a strange question. Can anything actually grow in lunar soil? For decades, lunar samples brought back by Apollo missions were studied, preserved, and protected. But more than 50 years later, scientists used some of that material for a new kind of experiment, trying to grow plants directly in real lunar regolith, the loose, dusty material that covers the moon's surface. According to NASA, this was the first time researchers successfully grew the plant of a following name in a nutrient-poor lunar regolith. The experiment was extremely small. The team used samples from Apollo 11, 12, and 17, with only about 1 gram of lunar soil available for each plant. They added water, seeds, and placed trays inside the clean room terrarium boxes. A nutrient solution was added daily, but even watering the soil was strange, as the lunar material initially repelled it. So scientists had to actively mix it and get everything evenly wet. Then came the surprise. After just 2 days, the seeds began to sprout. At first, the plants in lunar soil looked similar to the control plants. For a moment, the answer seemed almost simple. Yes, plants can grow in moon dirt. After about 6 days, differences started to appear. The plants grown in lunar regolith were not as strong as the control group. They grew more slowly, had shorter roots, and some developed reddish pigmentation, a visible sign of stress. Later genetic analysis confirmed that the plants were reacting as if they were growing in a harsh environment, similar to stressful soils with too much salt or heavy metals. That is what makes this experiment important. It did not prove that the moon is ready for farming, it proved something more realistic. Lunar soil can support plant growth, but plants struggle in it. This means future moon agriculture may need treated regolith, added nutrients, controlled habitats, or specially selected crops. The first lunar farms will not look like fields on Earth. They may begin as tiny controlled gardens, built around lessons from experiments like this. Because to live beyond Earth, humans will need more than machines. We will need to bring life and learn how to grow it.